The woodpecker in front of me. You're constantly cutting into the trunk. It's not feeding, it's storing food. All of these holes are his work. Whenever the coconuts are ripe, woodpeckers will start hoarding food. They take the fruit and collect 10 on the tree, and put it in little holes in the body. This way the food can be stored for a long time. A food storage plant can have up to 50,000 holes. It's such a big building. Cannot be completed by a single individual. Woodpecker oak. Living together in a family cluster. All members are responsible for collecting 10 acorns. It's going to take several generations of effort. New birds can make thousands of small holes on the big trees around. It's remarkable that they just puncture the bark. It doesn't touch the deeper structure. More family woodworking. Often find dry plants as food storage. In the warm spring, insects and oak pollen are both good choices. But when winter comes, these delicacies disappear. The stored acorns will become food. Let them exist. For the woodpecker family, these mangoes are not just the stuff. It's also a symbol of warmth. It gives them a sense of security. But reality proves accumulating wealth requires a lot of work. The fruits that you collect 10 will dry out and start to shrink. If you accidentally fall, will be picked up by other birds. To protect hard-earned food, the woodpecker starts to constantly spin the raspberry. Make them fit tightly into the hole. If the hole is too big, they'll find a better place, and then use the force of the beach to compress it. But so much food. Of course they will be watched by thieves. The squirrels nearby, very clear about the woodpecker's food stock. They often come to spy. The coconuts are so attractive that they can't resist. Of course I can't forgive this behavior. They start calling in their neighbors for help. A surprise attack from the air. It's going to be hard to deal with. There's only one way to hide. There is a greater danger in the back. A bear climbing a tree. It uses sharp claws to brutally destroy the food supply. To face such a powerful invader, they know they are not the enemy. You have to let it break. Despite the efforts of generations of birds that have poured rivers into the sea, but they don't have time to be depressed. To get through the winter safely, we need to get the next 10 food.